How to fix incoming call screen not showing up on iPhone. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to fix incoming call screen not showing up on iPhone. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty good and simple, so let's go. So to do that, just head over to settings and then from in there just scroll down until you reach the phone app. So if you click on phone app right here, make sure that you enable the notification screen on your phone app. So the next thing you can do if this doesn't solve your problem is to head over to your general, click on software update right here, and if there's an update on your software, then just make sure to update it. The next thing you can do is to head over and scroll down again on your general, click on Let's Transfer or Reset iPhone, then click on Reset right here and make sure to reset all settings. So this will just reset the settings and not the apps that you have or files that you have on your phone. So make sure to enable all of that right here and follow all the steps that I said in order to fix your problem on your call screen. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix incoming call screen not showing up on iPhone. If you have questions, comments, comment them down below and I'll try best to answer them. Thanks!